How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So to start, you have to open the TikTok application on your mobile device and also make sure that the TikTok application is installed in its latest version. Log in with your specific account and then navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. If you're watching their videos, tap on their profile icon, and once their profile opens, tap on the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, you have to select the block option that is between the report and send message option. You will receive a warning informing you that the blocked person won't be able to message you, see your post, or find your profile, and they won't be notified of the block. Confirm that you want to block them. If you later wish to unblock them, return to their profile and tap on Unblock. If you can't remember their username, you can find the blocked accounts from your profile. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy that is just below the account option. Scroll down and then go to Blocked Accounts. Simply tap on Unblock and they will no longer be blocked. So that's how you can block and unblock someone on TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll respond as soon as I can. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.